master. I say, I want this to have 2 sig figs. And the person will say it's 38. No, because you can't change magnitude. You can't change magnitude. And the example I always give for that, let's say I want to know somebody's weight. And let's say in the English, they weigh 128 pounds. I go, no, I want your weight to 2 sigs. Well, is that person going to tell me 13 pounds? I've got cats that weigh more than that. And so you know you should not do that. You should do that. Okay, but Aaron did it great for us. So don't get confused on that. Do not change magnitude. Okay, we all right on that one? Okay, let's try another. Let's see. Let me backtrack. Okay, English. 1.5. Okay, we have 1.47 miles. And we want to know how many inches that is. Okay, I would tell you that. And after that, you're on your own. Okay, so when we look at that problem, 1.47 miles equals how many inches? First, Alice, how many sigs do you want in your answer?
2.
Okay, don't look at that.
Wrong one.
Okay, yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
There's 3, and so we want how many in our answer? 3. We do not want to let the conversion factors ever dictate 6. It's always what's in the problem. Okay, now, a mile. A mile and a half is about what that is. Okay, from here to Red Bluff, I think on Spencer, I think that's about 1 mile. Okay, so you got an idea, a mile and a half. Do we expect a big answer or a small answer here?
Big.
Big, incredibly big, because what's an inch? So we expect a really big answer. If we get a really tiny answer, we know we've screwed up. Back to the drawing board. So let's set this up. What's our game plan? By what I've told you. We have miles. Where can I go next in our road map?
Feet.
Feet. If you have feet, we can go to inches. Okay, let's set it up. 1.47 miles. Put that over 1 for safety, just so numerators and denominators are clear. Okay, Ina, tell me what to do next. How do I get myself into feet?
You do 5,280 feet over 1 mile.
Okay, and when you check that, miles and miles cancel, so she's told us the right. And then we want to move that on to inches there. So Tanya, tell me what to do.
12 inches or 1 foot.
Okay, 12 inches, 1 foot. Safety check, feet, trash it. You've got inches, and that's what we want. That tells you you've set everything up correctly. Okay, Charles, what did you get? Tell it all to me, whatever you see on your calculator.
93, 139.2.
Wait, start over and louder.
93, 139.2.
Okay, that's a nice number on your calculator. How many sigs was that, Charles? That you see up there in what you just told me?
6.
6. Is that what we want?
No.
No way. We wanted 3. Okay, so, Steve, tell me how to round that to have just 3.
931. 4.
Okay? Now, I like the 931, but I don't want you to stop there. You got your 3 sigs, but you also, we went from 93,000 to 931. I don't want to change size of this thing. So what else do you need to do, Steve? Antonio, help him out.
I'll add zeros.
How many do you want?
2.
2, and this is going to be inches. Steve, do you see what he just did? See, you told me the right number of sig figs, and that was great, 931, and you rounded just fine. Since, I mean, you just trash this, then you see that's a 9, so that makes that a 4, but hey, that's less than 5, trash it. You can always give yourself zeros to get the magnitude that you want. Andrew.
What you said, did you want us to go from the 10th place from the 9, and then say if it was if the 3 was a 4, we run up, and then we run up again?
I just go 931 there.
Okay, I wasn't sure
Yeah.
if you wanted us to do that, or if you just
Yeah,
wanted us to look
yeah,
at the 3.
I mean, if, what he's saying, if that had been a 4, then if you go rounding from this way, that becomes a 5, and then you go, oh, well, that better be a 2, okay? On the quizzes, I'm not gonna worry about that. And on the multiple choice format, pick your closest one, we won't try to fool you that way. Okay, are we all right on that one? Okay, then let's take another real quick one here. Okay, 1-6. Remember the thing about angstrom that I put up here? We have some atom, and its radius is 1.10 angstroms. Quick, somebody tell me how many sigs? 3. And I would like to know how many centimeters that is. Okay, now I gave you a statement of fact, and I said, need to know. We had 1 angstrom is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the something. Anybody remember the power? Minus 8 centimeters. Okay, so we want to switch it. So we have, in this set of parentheses, the first set is always what makes it unique and what dictates your sig figs. Nikki, tell me how to write a conversion factor based on that fact.
So 1 angstrom is going to be on the
You
bottom.
want angstrom on the top?
No, it'll be on the bottom. And then, so we're trying to figure out centimeters, correct?
We're just going to centimeters.
So, I have no.
Okay, you just need to use that number over there. Okay? See, your 1 centimeter is 1.0 times 10 to the minus 8 centimeters. So you take your statement of fact, and you're going to have that memorized real soon, and then you can make a ratio out of that, and you make it the way you need it. And you started out just fine, because you knew angstrom and angstrom needed to cancel. So all you have to do is multiply this times this, and let's see what we're going to get out of that. Nicole, tell me what we get. Or why did you whip it right into exponential notation with the correct number of sig figs?
It's 1.10 times 10 to the negative 8.
Perfect. Okay, because it's just 1 times that, you get 1.10, and then you just carry that along. Okay, we've got our 3 sigs, and yeah, we expect a really small number. Let's take our 2-minute break.